Want to lose weight fast? Pondering how to get that summer body ready, or just looking to adopt a healthier lifestyle? It's all about the right diet plan. And here we're all about breaking it down for you. So grab a pen and paper, because we're about to dive into a step-by-step guide to a diet plan designed to help you shed those pounds rapidly. First off, breakfast. They say it's the most important meal of the day, and they're not wrong. Kickstart your metabolism with a protein-rich meal. Think about scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes. This power-packed meal not only fills you up, but also fuels your body with essential nutrients. Next up, lunch. A classic choice here would be grilled chicken with quinoa and a side of steamed veggies. This meal offers a good balance of lean protein, complex carbs, and fiber to keep you full and satisfied without overloading on calories. Now let's talk about dinner. After a long day, you want something hearty, right? Consider a serving of baked salmon with a side of roasted Brussels sprouts. Omega-3 fatty acids from the salmon paired with fiber-rich Brussels sprouts make this a dinner that not only satisfies but aids in weight loss. We've covered the three main meals, but what about those pesky hunger pangs in between? Snacks. Opt for something like Greek yogurt with a handful of mixed nuts or slices of apple with almond butter. These snacks are low in calories and high in protein, keeping hunger at bay. Remember to hydrate. Water is your best friend on this journey. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water each day. Not only does it help control your appetite, but it also keeps your body functioning at its best. Lastly, don't forget to indulge a little. A small piece of dark chocolate or a handful of berries can satisfy your sweet tooth without derailing your diet plan. To sum it up, this diet plan is all about balance. It's about fueling your body with nutrient-dense foods that keep you satisfied without overloading on calories. It's about staying hydrated and allowing yourself a little indulgence. It's about making choices that not only help you lose weight, but also contribute to a healthier lifestyle. Remember, everybody is different. What works for one person may not work for another. It's important to listen to your body and adjust as needed. And as always, before starting any new diet or fitness regimen, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. So, ready to embark on this journey to a healthier you? It's time to take that first step. Here's to a healthier, happier you.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest